I'm bored, so I'm gonna annoy my mates in Discord.
Shrek bot, the most genius Discord bot you could ever think of. Basically, it just reads out the entire script of the first Shrek movie into whichever voice channel you're in. Yeah, that's all it does. Alright, first you gotta install Python. Now code the thing that reads your Discord messages, joins your voice channel. Actually, it reads your Discord messages? That's kind of screwed up. Anyway, joins the voice channel and plays the audio. Forget how Windows works. Go to the internet to figure it out. Goddamn, Windows sucks. Now realize you've forgotten the most basic Python skills and go to Stack Overflow. And now because I'm pretentious and think I'm better than you, instead of copying and pasting the script from the internet, I go write code that goes and does that for me, all right? Get over it. Now this is the thing that reads the text file and puts it in the most mundane voice and saves it as an audio file, all right? Now let's test the thing. Beautiful soup, how do you work? All right, I've got you working. Go get the script. Where is it? Aha! Oh shit, look at all these dumb characters. I don't know how to do this. Oh, because I don't know Windows, I have to go do this manually. All right, now let's see if it works.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely princess,
It works.
but she had an enchantment upon.
I test the thing, spend an hour debugging, thinking that your audio is not working, and then just cry. Just cry yourself to sleep. And then test the audio again, and then cry again. And then realize it's because you use an underscore instead of a dot. Hate your life, think you're the worst coder in the world, cry. And then realize it's still not working, and then it's because you didn't make the thing that actually plays the audio. Shit. Now realize you're missing the final piece of the puzzle, install that, and then hope it all works. Test it one final time, and voila.
Once upon a time, there
Don't worry
was a
about that. It
lovely
means nothing.
princess, but she had an enchantment upon her of a fearful sort which could.
Now you can annoy your mates as well.
Why do I waste my time making this?